What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Vision here, back again with another crypto market update. Today's video, we're going to be checking out DEGEN. We're going to be looking at the levels. We're going to be adding some new levels of resistance. Just key areas to get above, and just checking out that. We're also going to be checking out JASMY. So I'll drop a comment in the section just to, separate the videos. So if you like today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more. Leave a comment where you're tuning in from. I really appreciate it. So, man, DEGEN got absolutely obliterated. Absolutely obliterated. We went through, melted through our first target. We actually we wicked down below this, bottom port, this buy wall down through here. And we've taken out almost every single low, right? I mean, we still haven't taken out this low yet. So that's kind of got me, it's got me thinking we're going to come down for another leg. Okay, we're at area of resistance. Okay, we're below. I mean, we've been below every EMA, right? I mean, yesterday was rough. I added through. I think I actually did. I think I added at the 2.8 level. I did. I added at the 2.8 level. A little rough. And so. We will see. I do want to see overall where we can see us. Where do we need to get above, right? Where do we need to get above? Okay, I don't know if this is the low. I don't know, but I am gonna take this low, this high. All right, that low to that high, that's right around one of them. Well, that's like right in between one of them. Alright, so from that low to that high, the 382 is at 4101. From the low to the high of this just overall move. Okay. And so I will leave the daily 618. I'm going to leave the 618 on here. And then this 786, I'm moving it up to here to the 382. Because I don't know where our low is yet. I just don't know. If we want to really think about this over, because I'm thinking about getting out of this zone, right? We got to get out of this zone. We can't just linger. We got to get out. And I mean, the market cap's at 60 million. I mean, it's not a very large asset. It can take off like in the blink of an eye. We're below pretty much every single level, and so right now, right? So we are below the EMAs. We have breaking down below. We still have 2 levels to the downside, right? Still have 2 levels to the downside. We have essentially on the daily. I mean, right now it doesn't look like we have our 5 waves yet. This kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, something like that. Can we make sense of that? Because these targets, I put these targets without knowing the low of the 3rd wave. Alright, so if this is the 3rd wave, let's invert this. Alright, if we do have a 1, 2, 3, then we gotta, let's just see where the 1 extension is. Got to. I know the 4th wave might not even be done yet. Yeah, the 4th wave might not even be done yet. But let's just, we already got through here. We're sitting right at 2842. We're sitting right there. Yeah, I just don't think we bounce from here. I think we're going to take out, this 1 would take out every single low essentially. All right, so let's do that. All right, I mean, then I'm gonna have to redo everything else and kind of see what we would do. That's kind of, I mean, at this point, that's the lowest I think. I mean, you'd bounce from right there, but that is the one extension. I'll see if we have 5 waves on the smaller time frames, because we do have 3 waves for sure. We have 3 waves here, right? You got like a 1, 2, 3. Right, so you do have 3 waves, and so that. You technically could be done, but I just don't think so. So we do have some levels to the downside. Where are we? We're almost, I mean, we're pretty much, we haven't got oversold yet. and we kind of need to get oversold. We kind of need to get oversold on the daily. We're so close. Last time we were oversold on the daily, we went up like 300%. Yep, almost 400%. And then was that? Yeah, that was it. Almost 400%. So I mean, you know, if you get down through here, right? 400% would get us. Sorry, yeah, like right through there, like to that 1 cent level. I mean, still good return on investment. I don't think that would be the move, but that's just like your initial move. I think something like this would be nice, bouncing off the low, like a nice little 100% move. So we still have some, you know, there's some reasons to be excited. Still, we're still at lows. These are solid entries. I mean, you're still just chopping around. You really haven't gone anywhere since right here. 143 days. 143 days. You haven't really got anywhere, right? Since May, right? You've came right back down. And the fact that this low is still in, I just don't think this is the low. We'll go look at some smaller time frames, but I just don't think the low is in. We haven't got oversold yet. We haven't not got oversold. I think we're going to get oversold. I think we'll be oversold, or at least go lower than this low. All right, so let's go into the 4-hour time frame. A golden, look at that, a golden dot, golden dot. When's the last time that happened? Right, we still had some downside to go. We did still have some downside to go. Yeah, still had some downside to go. We still had some downside to go. We did run up right here, but it is showing that it's, you know, a good opportunity. I still think we're lower. I mean, look at this 4-hour RSI though. I mean, you've come down. This is the lowest you've been. I was tracking it since June, right? You can go a little bit lower, right? The June low is a little lower. That's why I think we get oversold, right? I think the bears are lifting up their shorts. People are lifting up their shorts, taking profits, doing their thing, and then we're just gonna come back down. That's what I think. That's what I think for sure. Let's see if we have 5 waves. I just don't see us having 5 waves. Not yet. Actually, I am gonna eat my crow, as some would say. Eat the crow, right? We do have 5 waves. We do. We have 5 waves. We do. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. 5 down. All right. We have 5 down. What you need, you're looking for 5 down, especially on the 4-hour. The 4-hour is a great chart to have your 5 waves. You got it on the 8-hour. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third wave's most impulsive, right? You're looking for something like this on the 3rd wave. It's the most impulsive. You got a 5th. Okay. It just doesn't look done yet. I'm sorry. I just don't think it's done yet. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. Where are we on the 8-hour? Where did we get? We got pretty oversold. We got a green dot, Fu Manchu. But like I said, unless we get momentum up through here, I just don't see it. I don't see it. We are going to try to cross a stochastic, but I mean, you had a green dot right here, and then what'd you do right after? You tanked, right? So it's not indicative of higher prices when you get these green dots. It's just an idea. Yeah, we haven't gotten to the lower levels yet. So we kind of are doing something like this, if I'm being honest. Looks like we're doing something like this right here on April, like how you came down, and it kind of trickled up and then got down. So I think we're very close to the low. I mean, very close. Very, very, very close to the low. And so, yeah, so that's what I got for DEGEN. We do have levels. This is like the lowest of the lows. If it gets down to here, I'm freaking selling my car. No, I'm just playing. I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please don't. All right, be responsible. This is a meme coin. All right, this is a meme. At the end of the day, this is a meme coin. All right, this is a meme coin. My largest play is not DEGEN. My largest play is XLM, then Chainlink, then JASMY, then DEGEN. It actually goes in order like that. So DEGEN's my smallest play. but it's still it's a meme coin and it can go crazy, but it also can, you know, drop from. I mean, if we're being real, right? If we're being real and we're adding to where we are adding, right? If we're adding to where we're adding, because we're not buying up through here. We're buying. My entry price is right at 3. It's like right here. I'm under a little bit. I'm gonna be honest, but I'm buying at a 91% premium, right? So I'm under right now a little bit on my meme coin, and I'm not afraid to say it. If it goes to 1 cent, I'll be under. I'll just average my cost down. So, you know, when this starts to go crazy, then we can go crazy, right? I don't actually mind the longer it goes, because since I got into DEGEN later, I don't think it's gonna run into when I can get the capital gains tax, but you know, I got in through here, and it's just, we'll see. I don't. We'll see. Yeah, I just don't like paying taxes. I'm sorry, I don't like paying taxes. I would rather hold a little bit, not make as much, and then just pay less in taxes. I'm not a big tax guy. But you know, besides the point, right? DEGEN, we're at a 91% premium right now. So I don't think anywhere throughout this whole entire range, right? This whole entire range. Right, this is just accumulation down through here. It really is. It's just accumulation. Just accumulation. So that's what I got for DEGEN. So we're going over to JASMY. JASMY. We'll go to I think my 4 hour. I'll bring these to the daily. Hit the first target, but I don't know. All right, and we kind of went down past the first target, but it was a good idea, general idea. I was saying we can go a little bit lower than this, fake everyone out. With these patterns, the reason why I like these patterns and they don't need to be perfect, right, is because a lot of the times you go, I mean, look at these. Look at these up through here. I captured those, right? I captured those. If I'm being honest, actually, I can do this. If I'm keeping it real, I'm not just gonna move the charts around to fit my narrative. Right? Capture the fake outs. Okay. All the bulls were clamoring when we broke out. What do you think bears are doing right now? We came out, back tested, and went. What do you think bears are doing right now? Bears are like, oh, dude, we're going to zero. Bears, we're going to zero. It's like, dude, you should have been shorting from up here. You should have been shorting from right here, right? That's where you should be shorting from. 41% down. 37% down. So I think we're getting close. Just like DEGEN, we're getting close. I'll leave this in the comment section so you can just get right to your JASMY. My JASMY gang. I added through right here at this 126. Yeah, 126. I added right here. Just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. And then I added a lot more right through here. My method is, you know, once you start getting closer to it, I just start adding just a little bit, because we are below value. And then, because I'm expecting a bounce through here, and I'm going to be honest, timing the low to me, almost impossible, because this is just a general idea. So once we get around here, then I'm adding, right? We took out this low. Beautiful. We took out this low. Yes, that is good. That is very good. Very good. Very good. I was talking about that last time. I think we take out this low. I did want to take out this low. Okay, so I think, you know, maybe we get a little relief. I mean, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we get another wave down and double bottom? All right, do we get another wave down and then double bottom and then go? Right, that could be a possibility, right? I mean, that really could. I know on the smaller time frames we're gonna have 5 waves, but I like it to show a reflection on the smaller time frame, the 4 hour and the daily, or the 4 hour and the 8 hour. 8 hours is pretty good too. If you have 5 waves on the 8 hour, then it's like, okay, it could be complete. But to make sure, without reasonable doubt, right? 5 waves on the daily. We got 3 right now. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I mean, that's I'm just calling it as I see it, right? Our third wave, what did we get to? Right to the 1618. I mean, it's following this to a T. So we're looking to get to the 1. I mean, you can get to the 786. I mean, if you want to be honest, actually, wait, let me see something real quick. Let me see something real quick. What did this level get to down here? 1272? I mean, the 1618, this guy almost got up to the 1618. Did we get into a hidden fifth? Sometimes they'll hide it, right, with red candles. But really, look at this. Like this could actually be your fourth down through here, and you could be in your fifth right here. They're sneaky. They are sneaky. I tell you what. I tell you what. So that could be the third. We could be in the fifth right now. Yeah, got to the 5. Almost right to the 5. I mean, that 786 is right at that 1088. That's a double bottom. That's a double bottom. Wait, am I tripping? No, I'm not. I'm tripping. I'm sorry. But you would take out this low. You would take out this low. Let me see it. It's hard to look it upside down. You would take out this. No, you wouldn't. You'd take out the closing low, but not the wicking low. The 1. Oh, the 1 is right to the 1. Wow. 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 All right. That's my... Okay, this is my plan. So I'm going to tell you my plan, right? I've already added a good amount. I'm not selling my car, it's a metaphor. I'm selling my car and I'm buying right here. If we come down right to here, I'm loading up so much. I actually will. I really will. If we come down to right here, we double bottom, we come down through here, and then go, then we're going to have a different style pattern. Right? I'm going to change up the pattern and everything, but that would look very healthy before a move, before a big move. Because in all the leverage, if you got into leverage right through there, you're toasted. And it lines up perfectly. I mean, 1027, 1024, right? 1024, 0.0003 off. Sue me, right? So that's kind of what I'm thinking. You still have your September open. You're not even thinking about anything until your September open. I can get rid of this red. Okay, so we have those marked to the downside. Let's see to the upside what we're thinking about. All right, what we're thinking about going. I mean, we already took out this low. I don't think it's going to be this low. I mean, honestly, like 166 at this point. It's like right above your 2. Yeah, get above that. All right, we have areas to the upside we need to target now. We have areas to the downside that we see. And then, you know, you get above 1.6 and you're looking beautiful. You'd be above your 200 on your daily. You'd be above this area right here that you rejected from that started this whole thing. You'd be above your sell side wall, right? You'd be above a lot of things. So that's what I'm thinking. That's my plan. I'm giving you my plan straight up. This is what I'm doing. And then, but JASMY, I mean, this looks pretty good. How you're bouncing like that, I do like that. I actually do like that. That kind of was the reverse that we had last time, like a steep bounce. But you actually kind of bounced around down here. I mean, look at the moving average. Look how far that thing is. That thing is, ooh, baby. Oh my gosh. I didn't make any videos yesterday. I was freaking too tired. I was busy. But so we've gotten down through here a couple times. Was this April? This is April. So I mean, we're at the April. I mean, we're pretty. I mean, we go down just a little bit more. I mean, the 4 hour is gonna make you question all reality. I mean, where is April? I mean, this is as low as. Let me see here. This is lower than the June low. Where's April? This is lower than the April. We are more oversold now than we were in April. Think about that. Think about that. We are more oversold now than we were in April. More oversold now. That's bullish, right? We're more oversold at a higher price. So that means we have higher to go. And last time from April, I think it was a 200% move. 160% move, right? more oversold now than we were in April. I don't need this crippity crap anymore. I'll find new levels. But yeah, if you were here earlier, I was saying, hey, we're gonna take the lows, right? Because of this, right? I mean, it did take the lows, but I mean, instead of this, you're like doing this, and then going up. I mean, I'm just saying it, unless we're over here somehow. I don't think we're over here. I don't think we're over here quite yet. I mean, we could be. Be doing something like this. Could be, right? Something like that. Right, something like that, maybe. Maybe. It's all about perspective, right? It doesn't have to match up perfectly, but just an idea of what JASMY likes to do. Maybe you run up, get like your correction, right? Your little A, B, C, and then you go. Right, then you flag out, you get an impulse flag out, then go. So I think we're close. I think we're extremely close to the lows. That's my plan moving forward. That's what I got for you. If you like today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more. Have a plan, stick to your plan, have some conviction. All right, make sure that you're not uncomfortable with the amount you're investing in where it's stressing you out so much that you can't think about anything else. Right? This game is a long game. Get rich quick. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work because it's not that it can't work. It just when it doesn't, it just destroys you, right? It just mentally, physically, every aspect of your life becomes miserable, right? And so try to have a plan and be patient. Good things come to those who wait. So I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you for your time. Have a great rest of your day. Take it easy. Peace.